Today I'll show you what I think is a better way to hardwire your dashcam or any other devices because it allows you the flexibility of chopping and changing. Now I bought this entire kit off of AliExpress for less than £3, including the fuse tab, which I've linked in the description. I've crimped the wires together. Here's the fuse tab. Let's head on over to the fuse box to see where we can connect it. Now you want to be picking a fuse that doesn't turn on, it's not constantly on and only turns on after the ignition. Like this one over here is the rear window wiper. You will have to refer to your owner's manual or the fuse diagram for your vehicle to ensure that you are connecting to the right one. One thing to bear in mind is that you need to check the terminal, which one terminal stays off when the ignition's on, so that you wire the fuse correctly, because what you don't want is the current to keep coming in even though the fuse has been blown. So I've connected the fuse tab into the fuse box, and the only thing left to do is to put the black wire into a grounding point. Now this would be anything that's exposed metal that's connected to the body of the chassis of the vehicle. Luckily for me, I've got this screw down here which is connected directly to the chassis of the vehicle, and I'll just connect the black wire like so. Now the only thing left to do now is just to test the socket, and before you mount it or put it anywhere, just make sure connect up all your devices just to make sure it turns on with the ignition. One thing earlier that I did was I connected a 10 amp fuse. I just used that. You're welcome to use a lower rated fuse, but this device is already internally protected. It has a fuse inside it. It will short circuit if it goes above. Now I've connected my dash cam and it's working. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.